What's up, YouTube? Rebel Yell back with love. Back with Love Lady Logging.
I'm sorry that we're laughing. It's just, we had a rough day.
Exactly.
We already got the truck stuck.
Yeah.
All right.
We're gonna try to get stuck.
We're gonna.
Again. We out here logging today, trying to make a little bit of pocket change.
You done got your truck stuck. I'm sorry, YouTube, that we're laughing, but we done cut some 8-foot logs. And we're gonna take them to the sawmill. We gotta. At the moment, we don't have a skidder, so we're skidding them with old Yoda. Huh? Yeah. I don't know if you'll be able to get it out. Huh? Try that. We Gucci squad.
I reckon I'll put it around this way.
Is that it? That's the log? Cut it. Son, why would you cut the tree?
Oh, that's fine.
I mean... Watch out, son. It's gonna hit you.
Is it?
Don't drop it on the hard end. Don't drop it on the hard end. Sorry
My
if the tree
steel.
hits you. Gotta drop it on my saw. Burn tail, dummy.
Son of a Baptist.
That's our luck. Looky here.
You know why you need to tighten your chain? Because I was using this one day and it hit me in my nuts.
God. Well, I'll throw that to the side. We'll fix it here in a little bit. All right. Today was going good. It still is going good. Bad part is we're loading the logs on the Yoda. And we don't have a way to load them except by hand. So I think we should have it. Sorry folks, you're going in my front pocket. Huh? Alright, we'll be back once we get it hooked up.
We're back, and we got them all loaded down on the Yoda. She's got a load on her.
3 8-foot logs.
She got the Carolina squat going on. But we're gonna run these to the sawmill, go get us something to eat.
We'll be back again.
We'll pick y'all back up later.
Alright, we're back again. And we already took one load to the sawmill. And we're on the way to take a second load.
Big old load this time.
Big pines this time. The other one, the biggest was 13. And the biggest one on this one's 15. And
We loaded them all by hand.
loaded them all by hand. Everything was done by hand. And we'll let you guys know when we get to the sawmill. Alright, see y'all. Alright, we're about to pull into the sawmill. We'll see how much this load brings. We got the papers on the first load, and we'll get the papers for the second load, and we'll see how much it brings. Should bring a decent amount. Should.
Yeah, hopefully.
Hopefully. Yeah.
All the work we done did.
All the work we done, watch them be closed. They said 5. So it'd be our luck for them to be closed.
Pulling up to the local sawmill.
Pulling up to the local sawmill. Fitzgerald's. So we'll get back with you when we get everything done, alright? See y'all. Well, we made it to the sawmill.
Yeah.
So
He ought to be back anytime to measure our logs.
he should be back to measure.
Truck squat.
Yeah.
My bed ain't fell off yet. Oh, on my tailgate.
Yeah, Sonny bent his tailgate. Right along right there. Bent it.
Brand new tailgate.
Brand new! Off a used truck.
Off, yeah, exactly.
There's the logs.
They're 14, 15, and 13.
14, 13, and 15. Alrighty. We'll let y'all know when Carrie gets back. Alright, see y'all later. Well, we got everything unstrapped. They said it's a possibility Carrie's not coming back. So we just loading them up and we're gonna take them to the other sawmill. But what I told him,
How much you want to bet that sawmill's gonna be closed?
yeah, I own a sawmill company that ain't even here.
Carrie? I don't know what to tell you. I ain't got no words to say to you right now.
You gonna put the other one on there?
What? Oh yeah, I need those.
What the heck, man? Heck with this.
We're hungry.
Hungry. Now,
Tired.
now we gotta take them to the other mill. Well, we'll get back with y'all when we're done with this. See y'all.
And now we're chillin'.